What's up, everyone? Today we're going to be taking a look at some multi-tools, namely some Leatherman products and some not so Leatherman products. But in my opinion, this Leatherman Free P4, it has no equivalent at the moment on the market. So we will just set that off to the side and focus on these right here. Now, the Leatherman Wave and its clone right here, the Ozark Trail Multi-Force, are very similar. The tool sets are practically identical, and the only difference is the Wave has the Leatherman bits in it. This has some bits with ball detents on it that I do not like. The saw, the scissors, the blade, pliers, everything works great on this. For $40, it is a very nice multi-tool in my opinion. I would recommend getting one if you cannot afford a Wave or a Wave Plus. This is a very, very viable choice. And over here we have the Leatherman Wingman. Now, for a lighter duty type workday, this is an excellent choice. It has pretty much everything you need to get the job done. It has pliers, a blade, it has scissors, it has screwdrivers, can opener, and what else am I missing? Flathead Phillips, file. It's a good set of tools. It really is. The only thing that I don't like is the partially serrations on the blade. The partial serrations on the blade. I do not prefer a serrated blade. Now this next tool, the multi-tool here, it has spring-loaded pliers. Sorry. Everything is accessible from the outside, unlike the Wingman here. And the blade is a straight edge, so I definitely prefer that. It has a saw over here, whereas this has its scissors that I cannot get out right now. There we go. The scissors, which are decent scissors in all comparison. If they want to work, they don't. But either way, the scissors are very nice on the Wingman, but they do not compare to the scissors on the Nextool. It is a full-size set of scissors. I mean, this is the whole reason why I got this tool. Those scissors are just amazing. Now, besides this Free P4 that I've been carrying around for the last few weeks, this is my favorite by far. A second choice right here is this Nextool. If I can't grab my Free P4, then I definitely go for this Nextool. Now, while all of these are pretty amazing multi-tools, if you can get your hands on a Free P4, I definitely recommend that over any of these. And that is my opinion on these multi-tools. I hope it helps you guys out a little bit. I hope to see you in the next video. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you. I'll see you next time.